In this week, we are going to discover how we can use AI in Power BI. Using AI, very easily we will be able to understand the trends in the data, and any analysis which will take too much time, maybe some 5 to 6 hour, we can do easily in very less time. So let us see how we can do it. I'm going to take data related to sales and time. So let me take this stacked column chart, and in this I want to understand how the sales has happened in the given year. So for that I'm going to take order data in x-axis. So all the time when my sales has happened, when the order has came, that is going to be captured in the x-axis. Now sales I'm going to put in the y-axis. Yeah. So now we can see that in 2014 my sales was less, 2015 it increased a little, 16 even it was higher. Okay, 14 was more, 15 was less, 16 was high, and 17 my sales was highest. Now I would like to see the sales based on quarter. So here we have got folk. Click on this and it is going to expand. So now we are able to see our sales based on quarter for all different years. So you can see in 2014 in quarter 1 sales was less, quarter 2 it further increased, quarter 3 more, and quarter 4 the sales was highest. And every year the trends are looking similar. You can see that every year from quarter 1 till quarter 4 my sales are increasing. Fine. Here also same things are happening. So 2017, 16, 15 and 14, if you see from quarter 1 till quarter 4 the sales is going to increase. That's what we are able to identify. But we are interested right now in the latest trend. It means in quarter 4 my sales was high, but what happened that in quarter 1 suddenly my sales decreased. So what we are interested to know, we are interested to know that in quarter 4 my sales was high, but what happened that in quarter 1 suddenly my sales has decreased. In order to do this type of analysis, it is going to take lot of times. You are required to see the data for quarter 4, quarter 1, and why the change can happen. We have got so many different factor. Some customer might have left, or customer might have not purchased, or it could be due to the product ID or product name. It could be due to less quantity of some product sold, or some of the regions might have not bought the product. It could be due to segment, it could be due to ship mode, it could be due to subcategory of the product or the place or region where sales has happened. So we don't know what is contributing to the less sales. But using AI, which was introduced in Power BI some 3-4 years back, very easily we will be able to understand, and that will take not less than even 1 or 2 minutes. So how to get this done? Click on this quarter 1, right click and right click here and click on analyze, and it is telling explain the decrease. Why it is telling explain the decrease? Because before quarter 1 the sales was high and now it is less. If I click on this one, it is what sales is higher than the previous one. So right click and analyze. If you do, it will tell explain the increase, because this particular quarter 4 is higher than the previous one. But right now I am interested in quarter 1, which is lesser than the previous sales which was in the quarter 4. So right click on this bar and it is telling explain the decrease. Click on explain the decrease, and it will take little time, and it is going to generate many different visuals. All those different fields which are contributing to these decrease, that is going to come automatically. Now let us try to understand. So here what it is telling that 72,000 dollar of sales is less we are getting due to other category. So this is what sum of sales by year, quarter and order ID. So here due to this other we are getting 72,000 less sales. And what is that order ID? It is giving details that it has the largest decrease. So in US this order has changed, these three order has changed, and that is the reason our sales have decreased drastically. Now let us go to next one. Here it is giving name of the places, that which cities are contributing to again the sale decrease in the sales. So $69,000 decrease in the sales has happened, and it is due to some other city. And Lafayette, Los Angeles and New York, they had the largest decrease among the cities, and due to that they are offsetting increase of the Seattle sales. So here it is telling that the relative contribution made by Seattle, Lafayette and Jackson changed the most. So we are able to understand that this is contributing to the highest decrease in the sales. And we have got these cities also: Detroit, New York City, Los Angeles and Lafayette and other. So these are contributing to the maximum decrease in the sales. This is by state. And ship mode, if we see standard mode, this has given us maximum decrease in the sales. It means standard class earlier had given us sales, but right now because standard mode does not took place, and that's why we are getting maximum losses. So this accounted for the majority of decrease among the ship mode. So standard mode earlier has given high sales, but right now standard mode does not took place, and that's why $95,000 of loss we are getting here. And furniture has accounted for 57,000 of loss. Office supplies has contributed to 32,000 of loss, and technology has contributed to 25,000 of loss. So any report which you feel you would like to convey to your manager, you can click on plus and it is going to come over here, and then we will arrange that to explain our story. If you go to next one, here this product ID that has contributed to maximum decrease in the sales, that is 99,000. And here again name of different products are there, again other where product names are not available, they have contributed maximum decrease in the sales. East has contributed 48,000 decrease, Central has contributed 28,000 decrease, 22k decrease by West region, and South region 16,000 decrease in the sales contributed by South. So we are able to understand that what is happening in different regions and how the sales are going to come less. And 47.84% decrease sales between quarter 4 and quarter 1 has happened. You can see 47.84% decrease. If manually you are going to do, it is going to take lot of time. And then again different types of subcategory, if we see, they are chair tables binders, chair table binders and this others, they all have contributed lot of what sales decrease. If you see the segment of the different type of customers, corporate contributed to $57,000, 37,000 less sales we got by consumer. 18,000 decrease sales has happened in the home office segment, and this also I would like to keep in my report. Click on plus. click outside and click on plus. So these two reports I would like to keep in my report here. So I have taken technology furniture already I took. Now I want to take another report. Right click, analyze, explain the decrease. Standard class also contributing lot of losses, so I would like to take standard class also in my report. So again we are going to click on plus. Here came standard class and furniture already we took. This is region wise sales. Subcategory. So whatever you want to display, you can click on plus and you can take with you, and then you can explain that what is contributing to decrease in the sales, and very easily with the help of AI in Power BI you will be able to create waterfall chart like this, and you will be able to explain. And not only waterfall chart, we have got other type of chart also available through this analyze option. So right now I will take you through this, what is contributing to increase in the sales from quarter 3 to quarter 4. Quarter 3 to quarter 4 we have increase in sales, and I want to display that. Right click and click on explain the increase, and I would like to understand. So what is happening? 42.7% increase in some of the sales that is happening, and now it will tell us that which product has given higher sales. So copiers, tables, machines, storage and other. Binder has given us loss actually. Fine. So we are able to understand that in the last quarter 3 to quarter 4 what is contributing to increase in the sales. So this is waterfall chart, but we can create ribbon chart also from it. So click on this and it is going to create the ribbon chart, and you can see that which products are contributing to the higher sales. You can see these two products, they are always on the top. They are what? Phones and chairs. So in quarter 3 also they have given higher sales, and quarter 4 also. So what is changing here? Can you see this color? This is actually what? Tables. And tables earlier sales was very less and rank was also low, but here table went for third rank and sales of table is very high. Next to table, this is copier. Copier also, if you see, it was last, second last. This very thin line you can see, this one, that is the copier. So earlier sales of the copier was very less, but right now it is contributing to the fourth highest sales for the copiers. This one also, if you see the fifth one, which is storage, storage also was very negligible here, very negligible sales. But in the fourth quarter we have got lot of sales from the storage, that is $28,000. And this next one is what? This is decreased actually. So it is binders. Binder sales has decreased, but you can see the tables, copiers and storage has given higher sales. Let us come back to this. And can you see here? Copiers, tables, machines, storage, their sales have increased, and binders, you see, it has given negative sales. So using different types of charts, very easily we will be able to understand that what is happening. And ribbon chart is very easy to understand because it tells us how the ranking in the values of different products right now happening. So rank is number 1 here, number 1, number 2, number 3, and so on. And in different times how the rank is changing, that's what we are able to understand through this ribbon chart. And very interesting, we are able to see that how in the previous quarter tables had given us very less sales, but right now it is contributing to the third largest sales. And with this you will be able to tell the story. And so we are going to meet in the next video where we will talk more about use of AI in Power BI. Thank you, and we are going to meet very soon in the next video.